Hi viewers, how are you viewers? I hope you will be fine. Viewers, today I am going to share a very important video with you. The video, my video is related about a very important topic of biology. So the topic that I'm going to share with you is very important part of the our respiratory system. In fact, in fact, this is very important part of our respiratory system. The topic that I'm going to share with you is the pharynx. Yes, viewers, we'll talk about the respiratory. We'll talk about the pharynx. So first of all, we have to go on Google and find it here. So we are finding it here. Let's type it here. Let's pharynx. Viewers, we have found it here. First of all, we have to take its overview. The pharynx, commonly called the throat, is a passageway that extends from the base of the skull to the level of the sixth cervical vertebra. It serves both the respiratory and digestive systems by receiving air from the nasal cavity and air, food, and water from the oral cavity. What is the function of the pharynx? Pharynx, throat. The pharynx, usually called the throat, is part of the respiratory system and digestive system. It carries air, food, and fluid down from the nose and mouth. The pharynx is the site of common illnesses, including the sore throat and tonsillitis or tonsils. We generally say tonsils. What is pharynx and larynx? Pharynx is the muscle-lined space that connects the nose and mouth to the larynx and esophagus eating tube. Larynx, also known as the voice box, the larynx is a cylindrical grouping of cartilages, muscles, and soft tissue that contains the vocal cords. Let's see what is the structure of pharynx. Regionally, the pharynx divides into three parts which are from superior to inferior. The nasal pharynx, located behind the posterior and apertures cornea. The oral pharynx, located behind the opening of oral cavity. And laryngeal pharynx, located behind the inlet opening of the larynx. Is your pharynx your throat? The throat pharynx is located behind the mouth, below the nasal cavity, and above the hollow tube that leads from the throat to the stomach, esophagus, and windpipe trachea. It consists of an upper part, nasopharynx, a middle part, oropharynx, and a lower part, hypopharynx. What is larynx for? Your larynx is a hollow tube that connects your throat to the rest of your respiratory system. It helps you swallow safely and contains the vocal cords, so it's often called the voice box. Certain conditions and behaviors can damage your larynx and your voice, but some strategies and specialists can help. What is the role of larynx? The primary function of larynx in humans and other vertebrates is to protect the lower respiratory tract from aspirating food into the trachea while breathing. It also contains the vocal cords and functions as a voice box for producing sounds, i.e., phonation. What is called pharynx? Pharynx is a part of the throat that connects the mouth of the esophagus and nose to the larynx. It is a muscular tube that starts behind the nose, runs down the neck. Pharynx is a common passage in the both respiratory and digestive systems. What are the three types of pharynx? The human pharynx is conventionally divided into the three sections: the nasopharynx, oropharynx, and laryngopharynx. It is also important in vocalization. In humans, two sets of pharyngeal muscles form the pharynx and determine the shape of lumen. So viewers, I hope my video will be very beneficial to you. If so, like my video and subscribe my channel also, and thank you so much for watching this video.